video, you'll learn how to make cartoon animations using AI. Fast, easy, and no experience required. We'll go from a simple idea to a fully animated cartoon like this in just a few minutes. First, open any video converter and go to the AI image generation tool. Enter a prompt describing your scene, such as the characters, lighting, texture. Then choose resolution and ratio. And click Generate. In just a few seconds, your image is ready. Next, use the AI Video Generator tool to turn your image into a video. Upload the reference image and type the prompt. Add the motion details in the prompt, like walking, turning, or subtle movement. Choose the resolution and ratio and decide the length of the video according to your needs. And the AI will handle the animation automatically. Once the video is ready, simply click play to check the result. And that's it, a fast and simple way to create cartoon animations using AI. Try it yourself and start creating your own animated content